Guys, on today's video we're gonna be getting Superman. That's right, Superman is 100% free. You do not need to purchase it or do anything like that. All you need is your battle pass and that's it. Just log in, do the challenges that we're gonna show you right now, and we're gonna get it right away. Alright, as we log into Fortnite, you're gonna see all the challenges right here. So you just complete one at a time and then that's it. That's all we have to do. So this is exactly what we're gonna do, guys. Here are the challenges, you can see them right here under quests. So we're gonna go to the payphone and get... Okay, I got that quest. Hopefully I don't die in Storm. Actually, it doesn't really matter if I die right now. Kelson? Yes, Kelson, let's go. Okay. Got it? Okay, everybody got it? Yeah, it says that we completed one of the quests. So right now we have officially completed one of the quests. Thanks to Kelson for getting this. Okay, so again, you would get this if you go to the payphone. And for example, you choose Batman and you do the flying saucer thing. So right now we're just gonna go over to Pleasant, where there's a guarantee that there's a payphone there. There's also payphones in a bunch of places, but you don't have Beast Boy? I'll do the Beast Boy because that's supposed to work. Okay, so we'll try that one. I'll take some damage and then survive. Okay, so the retail payphone does actually work. So we're here at retail and we're gonna do a challenge. Let's see what it is. Use a launch pad. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, just follow us to the launch pad and then we'll complete this quest. There are people here, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so we just completed that quest. Alright, so I'm gonna check. Let's see, what do we have? Yeah, defeat aliens, Superman. So we can complete that quest for sure. Defeat aliens. So I got that one. But let's go towards other aliens, guys. Right here. So you guys can go for the Beast Boy, take damage. Yeah, from a player and survive. I mean, I'll put that one. Kelson, we need to find you some aliens though. Kill him. So you need that kill. He's here, Kelson. Shoot him. Right here. There you go. Finish that guy. Alright, so got the spray from Superman right now. Alright, so at this point in time, we just need to do just one more aliens. Okay, we just have to kill some aliens. Did you get we need to get those aliens down here. This one's slow, so I think I can take it down maybe. Never taken one down with a pistol, but it's down. Oh shoot. He might end up killing me. Oh yes, finally. Okay. That was close, because I was so low to fight that dude. Alright, since we just completed that quest right now, we should be able to get Superman. We have the back ring. And here he is. Alright, Clark Kent. So we can equip it. And there we go. So right now, if we take a look, we just have to go through rings as Clark Kent. Alright, so if I jump right here, I should be able to see the rings somewhere here. Wait, where are they? There they are. Okay, got it, saw them. So they're right beside the UFO. This is one of the quests, by the way. Obviously after you get Clark. Just gotta aim really well. Ah man, I went through one, but I kind of messed up. Okay, went through them. Good. I did mess up a little bit for the first one, but I went through it. There we go. I got 4 out of 5. No, which one did I miss? No way. I don't even see the one that I missed, but we'll do it for the next one. Although it does say quest complete, so never mind. Alright, so the quest we just completed would have got you this. So we're gonna equip it for now. And there we go. So if you go into your quests, you're gonna see all these. Well, you're gonna see way more than what I see right now. But this is the last one. Just use a phone booth as Clark Kent. Alright guys, so Misty Meadows, that's where you wanna go. There's the phone booth. And yeah, it's just in Misty Meadows. That's the last thing that we gotta do. And then we're gonna be Superman. So here we go. And we are Superman. Let's go, let's go, let's see you. Ooh. Yeah, I can turn black. The emote's pretty cool, because you can turn back, yeah. Superman. Alright, so we just got the cape, makes sense. We're gonna equip that. We're obviously, yeah, you have this emote automatically. And then, obviously we have Superman. So we're gonna equip this.